Namaste everyone, I am Agrani here again. I am now live from the Hosa Honolulu temple, that is in Hosa Honolulu, Lakshmi Narayana temple. I'll just take you on a small walk of these beautiful and exceptional carvings of the Hoysala architecture. And this is actually the 24 forms of Narayana carved here. And you can see these, it's a small virtual tour here. You can all observe that is Dashavatara. This is the Dashavatara panel where all the avatars are very beautifully depicted, and below in the just below Dashavatara there are mantapas, and just below mantapas there are the Dikpalakas, and just below Dikpalakas, that is, this one is Hamsapakshi, then this is Yali, and this is an episode from Mahabharata. This is this is a Kamala Bali. This is actually a Bali, that is a creeper. Then there are Akshahanis of Ashwas, and then there are Sanics who are sitting on the elephants. So I'll show you these beautiful carvings. Narsimha, this is Narayana, Trivikrama. Enjoy these beautiful carvings. Bali Maharaj giving Bani Maharaj giving that is giving dana to Vamana Dev. Aitadu. Okay. Darpana Sundari, Chamara Sundari, Lakshmi Narayana. It's raining here. A walkthrough of the Hosa Honolulu temple. See this TG here. Kaliya Mardhana Krishna. Again, beautiful Lakshmi Narayana. This is Narsimha standing. Badri Narayana. Mahishasuramardhini, Lord Narayana, Mohini, Krishna, again Narayana, here Nartana Ganapati, an amazingly carved architecture of Hosa Honolulu, and that is Sri Lakshmi Narayana temple. It's not very far from Bangalore, and look at the treasure house we have got. Can anybody say that Indians, so at the time when Europe and America and all these places where the civilization just started to even begin, in India we were already having the highly scientific technology of carving these temples, Rama and Lakshmana, and such beautiful temples were carved during that time when the whole world was even figuring out the reason of their existence. When they were all in Stone Age, we actually wrote poems on stones. Look at this, Lakshmi Narayana on Garuda. Such is the heritage we have got. Such is the wonderful heritage we have got. And look at this. This is Indra. Indra on Airavata, along with his Vajrayudha. Can somebody say that all this thing is mythology? No, it is not. It's not mythology. It is all scientific. It's all history. It's completely history. Everything is well documented, well recorded. Just that we were not shown all these things. Look at this, Brahma, wonderfully carved. I'll show you the detail here. Look at the finger rings, and you look at the turn in the feet here, toe rings. Darpana Sundari again, and look at this form of Lord. how gracefully he is seated. Look at the Anantasesha, the seven-hooded Anantasesha. It's so realistic. And these are all panels, supporting panels from Ramayana. You look at this Samudra Manthana. It's beautiful Samudra Manthana. You can see all the devatas, everybody. And unfortunately, look at this. This is Krishna's Leelas. You know, different Leelas of Krishna. He is born, he is showing himself in Chaturbhuja Narayana form. Then the exchange of babies is happening. Then the Lord is being worshipped. Putana Vadha, Keshi Vadha. Then this is Kaliya Mardhana. Then this is Arishtasura Vadha, Bakasura Vadha. Then the Lord is showing, this is actually Mahishasura Mardini. Again there is a Bakasura Vadha. Look at these beautiful architectures of Krishna's pastimes. This is Chanura. This is Kubja. The Lord is actually blessing Kubja. And this is, I don't know, this is a Yuddha here. And the Lord in his Chaturbhuja form giving darshan to Akrura. You can see this being denoted by all these fishes around. Akrura has darshan of the Lord in Vaikuntha. That is just before Mathura. This is Krishna and Balaram going to Mathura. And this is darshan to Akrura. This is Kuvalaya Pida Vadha. This is Chanura and Mushtikasura Vadha. This is Malla Yuddha of this Chanura and Mushtikasura. So these are all beautiful panels here. So Nodi Namma Nadu, please come and look, please come and have darshan of the temples in Karnataka, within our own state of Karnataka. These beautiful temples with all the health measures, safety measures taken care, everything. Join us on our next yatra, that is Chunchunkatte, on October 18th. Until then, Jai Lakshmi Narasimha Devi.